India Business Week celebrations included a very important program today. FICCI is coordinating this program and it's based on CSR. The entire motivation behind the program is really how can corporations create sustainability and a leadership edge by focusing on CSR. The corporate development in history has clearly shown that organizations with a clear focus on CSR and clarity on contribution to society have definitely differentiated themselves and their brand, have used this as a powerful motivating tool, not just for loyal customers, but also for their own internal employees. And the ability to create a focus on improving society, not just by the primary core, whether it's manufacturing or services, but by going beyond to improve the environment in which you live, is really the underlying theme. FICCI has organized this program. There are a range of speakers, including the GMR Foundation. There's inspiration from the Birlas and the Tatas. Apollo Hospital is speaking about their philanthropic programs, and I think they're exciting deliberations from multiple corporates on how they can join hands with NGOs, with the government, with each other to create impactful, sustainable programs, improve the society, improve their environments, and therefore ensure leadership. Corporate support is really not the issue right now. Corporate interest in the subject is important, and I think all corporates across the world and in India in particular have shown that focus on CSR enhances brand recognition and enhances employee sense of loyalty and commitment to the organization. FICCI's role is, as always, to do a combination of thought leadership, and I believe that this is a leadership initiative. So it's thought leadership, it is policy and advocacy. So we had people from the government sharing the legislation on CSR. It's also a concept of bringing together and networking best practices across the industry so that people, when they're trying to deliberate on what their next steps would be, would have good role models. Thanks.